laptop screen freeze or stuck problem. So if you want to fix laptop screen freeze or stuck problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your keyboard, and on your keyboard you need to press Shift, Control, Windows key, and B. You just need to simply press all of these at once. Once you do this, it will refresh your graphics driver and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the next one, which is you need to press Shift, Control, and Escape. So you can simply go with Control, Shift, and Escape, and it will open up your task manager. And once you open up your task manager, make sure that if any application is taking up your CPU or memory the most. So if something is taking the most, then what you can do is just right click on it and then end the task. Once you end the task, then it will fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix your laptop screen freeze or stuck problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.